Hi ma'am, I'm Jason from BSMX1B. So today I'm gonna do how to crimp a crossover cable. So for materials, there's a UTP cable. This is a category 5E, which stands for enhanced type of cable. 2 RG45, a crimper, roller, cutter, scissor, and this is a POH shaker. It has the same function as the networking cable tester. So first, I'm gonna do today is a crossover cable. So for crossover cable, if this part here is T568A, then this part here is T5688B. So first is we're gonna measure this one, then use a cutter to cut it out. Then we need to separate the colors. So for T568A, the first color is striped green, then next is green, then striped orange, then blue, then striped blue, then orange, then striped brown, then brown. Then cut this part out. And then we're gonna insert the wires in the RG45. Then after that, we need to crimp it. Then there. Then in this part is T568B. So for the sequence of color in T568B, the first is stripe orange, then orange, stripe green, then blue, then stripe blue, then green, stripe brown, then brown. cut this part out. Then insert in the RG45. Then after inserting, crimp it. So after inserting these two, we need to check it using this POA checker. So this one goes here, and this one goes here. Then check. So as you can see, the number goes from 1 and up to 8. So this means that this power connection is stable and in good condition. So that's all for my demonstration about how to crimp a crossover cable. Thank you.